my Invisalign has...
I have taken out my Invisalign.
I have taken out my Invisalign, and this is the album.
This is my parents' bed, and I sleep in here because I'm scared of monsters.
Today's the day to celebrate.
We made this album in a bedroom at our house that we grew up in, so it's really like anything is possible.
I honestly don't know how any artist of any age is doing it without a parent.
Is that Million?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Step on the glass, staple your tongue. Bury a friend. I wanna end me.
Bad. Again.
End me.
Nope.
I wanna end me.
Boom.
I wanna end me.
Woo!
The debt I owe, gotta sell my soul. Cause I can't say no, no, I can't say no.
Sounds pretty horrible.
I think it sounds kind of awesome.
It's pretty bad.
It is a horrible time to be a teenager. Kids are depressed.
I look into the crowd and I see every single person in there is going through something.
I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
And I have the same problem.
I could lie, say I like it like that, like it like that.
I was like, why don't I turn this into art instead of just living with it?
Hey, you guys need to be okay, because y'all are the reason I'm okay, okay?
Let me let you go.
You have to have faith. You have to do your best. Live your best life. That's what else?
I could lie, say I like